Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Canva text-to-image. How to use Canva AI text-to-image generator. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be demonstrating and showing you guys how to use Canva's text-to-image feature. Now keep in mind, this is an AI generator. So in Canva, you would need to have a plan or a subscription to be able to use this. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, create your design or choose a specific project canvas that you want to work on. For example, let's click on create design over here on the top right. Let's go with Instagram story for now. And we will be redirected to another page. Now the process of using this AI is very simple. Simply go over here on the left side, you have apps over here. Simply select this. And over here, as you can see, there are different types of apps currently found in Canva. But there is something called Magic Media over here. Simply select Magic Media. As you can see, this is the generator or the photo or text-to-image generator of Canva. They also have videos over here, but right now it is not available for us. But we will be focusing on the images for now. Let me zoom in on our left side over here. As you can see, it's a very simple process. Simply describe the image you want and they will generate it for you. You could select a specific style over here. You have filmic, watercolor, photo, dreamy, or anime. You also have the ability to select your aspect ratio. Let's go with portrait for now. And after that, let's choose our specific style. Let's go with a watercolor. And simply enter the prompt that you want. So for me, let's say a lava or a lava raining from the clouds. Something like that. Then simply click on generate or create your image over here. And as you can see, it will work and create 4 different types of images for you to choose from. It's a good thing that it will generate 4 images at a time, because if it generated 1 image and you're not satisfied with it, you're going to have to generate again and you're not really going to be satisfied and it will take a lot of time. So it's a good thing that it will generate multiple at once. And as you can see, we have our photos over here. You can see it already over here on the right side. I was able to put it in. There we go. As you can see. Remember, our settings was watercolor. So it's not going to be super realistic or super hyper detailed or anything like that. But let's go back and let's choose something else. Let's describe something else. This time, let's go with filmic. And let's say a sunset in a wheat field. After that, simply click on generate. And once again, it will generate 4 images. And as you can see, this one stuck over here. So once you select a specific image over here, it will appear on the canvas that you are working on and you will be able to utilize and use that. But let me delete that for now. And as you can see, this time we have a realistic images. So you can click this. And now we have our image over here on the right side. Very realistic. We have sunset on a wheat field over here. Then if you like a specific photo, for example this one, you can click on the 3 dots over here on the top right of each image. Then you can click generate more like this, and you will be able to create different variation of the specific image. It will be based on the image that you like. So let's see the variation that we will be able to generate. I bet it's going to be very similar, since it is using this image over here as the basis. And there we go, very similar output. Let's generate something else. Let's wait for the last one to open. Let's actually leave this on our screen for now. Let me reset this. Put it over here on the top so that we have this as our copy. Then we could change it again. Let's go back actually to change our style. This time, let's go with photo. Let's say we would like to generate a waterfall from Niagara Falls. Then simply click on generate your image. And let's wait for the output. This time, our settings or the type that we would like to have is photo. This one was the first one, I think, or the realistic one. The other one I was not able to save. I deleted it. But anyway, let's keep one over here. And there we go. We have our outputs over here. We could select one and it will automatically appear on this part, as you can see. This is our results over here. Very realistic. I think the best one is the first one that we saw. So let's delete the other one. So this one is the best one out of all the images that we were able to generate. So let's put it over there. And let's go back again. Let's go with something dreamy this time. And let's try an example over here that will be produced by Canva. Click on an example and it will produce you an example over here. Let's try again. Maybe this one. Let's go with this one. Click on generate. And simply wait for it again. Right now, it only has those different specific styles. So it is not as amazing as other platforms out there that are dedicated to AI generation like Midjourney. But it still does a very good job, as you can see here. Remember, our theme was dreamy. So it has a lot of range, or it has a lot of freedom on what style it would like to generate our image on. As you can see, this is our image over here. Very good. It's still within the specific type of style that it is promised to give us. So click on go back. And we have the last one over here as anime. So let's try an example for the anime over here. Drone shot of the Amazon forest. Let's actually put in a sunset in a dense woody forest. Then simply click on generate. And let's see the output that we will be able to produce with the style of anime. So give it some time. Now you will be able to use the image generator or the text image generator on a lot of different projects. For example, you're creating a project and the specific element that you are trying to look for isn't really there, but you know how to explain it with your words. So you could utilize the text to image feature over here to build it for you. And as you can see, we have our output over here. Has very good quality. I like all of them. And you could use this on a lot of different plans or a lot of different projects. So let's actually demonstrate on what type of project you could utilize this with. For example, you want to generate a person running. So athlete running through a maze. And something like this is not really going to show on the elements or the different options that you have on elements. It's something typically hard to find, or the element that you want to find is not very easily found in the elements over here. So let's search athlete running through maze. Other graphics, as you can see, if I search that, it's just going to show us some athletes running. So let's see the output that will be generated. As you can see, it has produced a better or a more visualized option for us. As you can see, we were able to get the output that we want. As you can see here, it has a lot of potential. So if you want to use this, you could use this freely. But as you can see here, for me, I only have 500 credits, if you noticed this earlier. And that is the limitation for me, for my account, for using the text to image. For you, it might be different. It depends on the type of account that you have, what type of plan your account currently is subscribed on. But as you can see, it will have some limitation. Although it's a lot, so I don't really have to worry yet. But that's basically it. Actually, there's more styles. It's not limited to this. The styles that we are seeing or that we used earlier are just the generalized or the commonly used styles. But if you click on see all, there is more styles like neon, minimalistic. There's digital arts as well, fine arts, and that's basically it. It's limited to fine art over here. And aside from that, there isn't really any other type of style that you could play with. So let's play with the 3D over here as our final iteration. So let's say Godzilla on top of a volcano. Click on create again, and For our last generation, let's see what type of image we will be able to generate. So let's wait for it to load our image over here. So far, we generated over here on the top. And this one was the anime, very good style. You can see here. And there we go. We have our last generation, which is Godzilla over here on top of a volcano, as you can see. Very good output. It has the 3D style that we asked it to produce. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to use the text-to-image AI of Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.